Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to add a background to videos in Capcut on PC. First, open Capcut. Once Capcut is open, drag your video to the timeline at the bottom. Once your video is on the timeline, double-click it. After you double-click, a new format will open on the right side. Click on Basic Video, then Basic. Scroll down to the last section. When you see the canvas option, click on it. You can now select any background from the list. For example, if you want to set a color background, select Color and choose any color. As soon as you select a color, it will automatically be applied to the background. If you want to add a blur background, select Blur. You can then select any section of the blur. For example, if you select Message, a blur background will be added to your video. That's how you add a background to a video in Capcut on PC.
Introvert on.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.